What you are thinking is what you are becoming. Begin to live as though your prayers are already answered. If you have everything under control, you are not moving fast enough. I have never met a strong person with an easy past. Dream big, destination would follow you. What you seek is seeking you. Any man or institution that tries to rob me of my dignity will lose. Think big, start small. Wear your failure as a badge of honor. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Making a difference is a marathon, not a sprint. God would not allow anything to happen in your life if it is not for your good. Birds born in cages think freedom is a crime. The world is changed by your example, not by your opinion. One moral man is an army. Love will find a way through paths where wolves fear to prey. Desires make slaves out of kings, and patience makes kings out of slaves. There will come a time when you believe everything is finished. That will be the beginning. A good manager do things right. A good leader do the right things. Your network is your net worth. Raise your words, not voice. It is the rain that grows flowers, not thunder. Maybe you are searching among branches for what only appears in roots. A hair divides what is false and true. One person with a belief is equal to 99 who have only interests. Poverty is a parent of revolution and crime. To be a great champion, you must believe you are the best. It is an ability to judge ability. Failure is a word unknown to me. Strength does not come from winning. Your struggles develop your strength. Where you stand depends on where you sit. Do not let the fear of death come in the way of what you believe is the mission of your life. He will give you something better than what was taken from you. The best people are those who are most useful to others. Thank you for watching.